how to log in SoundCloud account. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your SoundCloud application on your device. Once you open the app, you'll be able to see the welcome page or this interface on your mobile device. Since we are trying to log into the account that we already have, you have to select the I already have an account option at the lower button. After that, here are various login options. You can either continue with Google, Facebook, or if you are iOS user, you can also continue with Apple. If you want to enter your email and password and go for logging in, then you can also do that. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget your password option, by which you will be able to reset your password and you can once again log into your account. Here I am continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you need to select your Gmail account with which you want to log into your SoundCloud account. After selecting, simply tap on OK. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in SoundCloud account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.